Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and your App Store is not working or you are unable to connect with your App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it's just a network problem. Not to fix that, you have to refresh your network settings. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest and stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Once you have done, you have to go back, retry to open your app store and check if your issue has been fixed or not. You can see my issue has been fixed. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your settings here. Go for general layer, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go for the software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software. Once you have done, your issue will be almost fixed. Or if this all doesn't work for you, so you just have to open the settings here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, it will only reset all of the network settings you have, including your iPhone, Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, your AirDrop, and also including your hotspot. So once your network setting will be resetted, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use your App Store without any issue. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.